Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
सत्तरीत आयलो हुवार आनी ताचे फाटली कारणां प्रुडंटान दोंगरांनी दोंगर फुटीचे सुवातींनी वचून उस्तिली. सत्तरीत झरम्या करमय अशे 4-5 हेर कडेन साटऱ्या भशेनूच पालसणां कोसळ्ळ्या आनी उपरांत हुवार मारला. 12 वर्सां फाटीं काणकोणा असोच प्रकार घडिल्लो आनी गालजीबाग तळपण न्हंयक हुवार मारिल्लो. NIOचो तेन्नाचो संचालक डॉक्टर सतीश शेट्येन तेन्ना ताचो अभ्यास केल्लो. सत्तरीतलो प्रकार ताका तसोच दिसता.
सिमिलर आसूं शकता, सिमिलर कारणां वा सिमिलर गजाल घडल्या म्हणून, जशी काणकोण घडली तशी हांगासर घडल्या म्हणून
पळोवपाक तरी तशें काय दिसता. आतां पळय, हें सगळें वेस्टर्न घाट्स म्हणजे सह्याद्री च्या स्लोपाचेर जालां. काणकोणचोय स्लोप आनी सत्तरीचोय स्लोप जी पळय सेटअप आसा, इट इज वेरी सिमिलर. Even then, if there is a concentrated fall of rainfall, आमी थंय पळय काणकोण जेन्ना जाल्लें, then we had looked at images. It looked like that particular episode happened because of something like a 7-hour continuous precipitation for over a region that was covered by Talpan, Galchibag, ह्यो rivers, जंय पळय उगम जाता तांचो थंय. So if it can happen at Canacona, it can happen at any location on the west coast of India, which is one of the highest precipitating regions of the country. I mean, not just the country, even elsewhere our precipitation is high. It is not surprising that it happened. These events have happened in the past. In the past we could probably ignore them, but now because there is pressure on land, there is population increase, we have to be more careful. We have to be more aware that such things happen.
असल्यो सैमीक घडणुको खंय मनीस आडावंक शकना, मात तातूंतल्यान सेफ रावंक प्लॅनिंग जाय.
Incidents of this kind could happen more frequently in the future, and that is what people who have been studying this have been warning us, that this kind of the frequency of such events will go up as climate change keeps setting in. Mudslides can't be, they occur on a scale which is so large that human intervention will not be possible to prevent them. A better approach is to be prepared for them and make sure that you don't construct in places which are vulnerable to such episodes. You don't disturb drainage channels which exist in that region, the natural channels which have existed. In Kerala, there was a lot of construction on the slopes. So when the slope became unstable because of very high moisture content, it took along whatever construction which existed on it, and it made the problem much worse than what it would have been otherwise. So I think anybody who invests in construction on such slopes should pay attention to what the regulations are. Maybe become a little more cautious than what the regulations say, because not all our regulations might have taken into account possibility of extreme events.
प्रुडंटाच्या रिपोर्टा उपरांत उत्तर गोंयचो जिल्लोधिकारी अजित रॉय, उपजिल्लोधिकारी मामलेदार, शेतकी अधिकारी WRD आनी राना खात्याचे अधिकारी साटरे आनी करमय लँडस्लायडाचे इन्स्पेक्शनाक पावले. ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, प्रुडंट.